So I've decided to change the bulbs on my fogs. That one's actually looking a bit cloudy. I might have to give that a scrub. But they're pretty easy to get off. It's just these clips at the back. I just used the trim tool, poke it right in like that, just pry it a little bit, it pops right off. So these are the bulbs I'm going to upgrade to. They're premium LED bulbs from a certain shop and they've got to be better than the dull looking bulbs that are in there already. It's either a flathead, I don't know if you can see with the light, or a Torx in there. Really hard to see, one down there, one up there, it just pops off. So just taking this one out here, just so you know, it's a T25 Torx, and that is the rear of the bulb. It comes out really easy. Just give that a squeeze, that pops off, and then to get the actual bulb out, you just give it a twist. So I'll just put the new one in now and I'll show you. So there we are, that's both bulbs. That's the old one there on my right, new one on the left, obviously LED, both are exactly the same. They're not left or right specific. And again, just pops in, give it a twist, and it's in place. Plug the other bit back in, pop that back into there, and you're done. There you go. So that one's back in there. Obviously with the T25 Torx, you can clearly see that there's a different bulb in there. Let's stick it on and see how it looks. Oh well, I've just put the other side in. Just thought I'd do a quick comparison. So that's an original bulb, and then over here, it's a nice new bright white LED. There you go. And when you're done, you literally just get that, and that just clips back into place with a bit of a push. There's a bit of a notch on that side. So there you go. Look at the flies. Done. So I've just put the bulb in this one, but on the actual surface of this light, it's that cloudy. It looks like it's covered in soap scum. So I've got a good old classic kitchen scourer, and I'm just going to give it a good scrub. Just a bit of water. I haven't bloody put it in yet, I probably should have. And look at that. Spot on, pardon the pun. Oh yeah, shoot me now. There we go. So they're both done now. And I've given that one a good wipe. It looks a lot better than it was. Still a little cloudy, but very easy, better than it was before. Nice and white, matches the headlight cluster now. Again, it's not a fancy one, just upgraded bulbs. That top job there took, probably as long as it took me to find my Torx, maybe about 15 minutes. Easy, yeah, nice easy job, nice little upgrade.